Mabuhay, thank you for calling CTHM Restaurant. How may I help you?
I would like to make a table reservation, please.
Alright, sir, and who I'm speaking to?
I am Mr. Jardine Makabuhay Aguilar.
Alright, sir, may I repeat your name?
Yes, please.
It's Jardine Makabuhay Aguilar. May I also know your contact details, sir?
Sure, here. 0906 353 8805.
Alright, thank you, sir. Mr. Aguilar, should I make your reservation under your name?
Yes, please.
And when do you want your reservation, sir?
Today.
Alright, and for how many people?
For two.
Alright, sir, and what time do you want your reservation is?
Um, at exactly 6 p.m. today.
Alright, sir, for smoking or non-smoking area?
A non-smoking area, please.
Alright, sir, may I repeat your table reservation?
Yes, please.
Alright, sir, you have your table reservation at exactly 6 p.m. today, June 15, 2024, for two-person only in non-smoking area, under the name of Mr. Jardine Makabuhay Aguilar, with a contact number of 0906 353 8805. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
Is there anything would you like to request, sir?
None.
Alright, thank you so much, Mr. Aguilar. Thank you for prioritizing CTHM Restaurant. We are looking forward to welcome you. Thank you.
Thank you.